How to fix wallpaper disappearing on iPhone after iOS 17 update. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. If your wallpaper is disappearing on iPhone after iOS 17 update, then firstly you can try to restart your device. Restarting the device fixes majority of issues on your iPhone. Now go to your lock screen and tap hold on the lock screen and you will be able to customize your lock screen here. Swipe up from the wallpaper and go ahead and tap on the delete icon and then on delete this wallpaper and delete the old wallpaper on your device. Now launch the settings application on your device. Scroll down and tap on wallpaper and then tap on add new wallpaper. Go ahead and select new wallpaper for your device and tap on the set as wallpaper pair option. See if the issue is fixed or not. If not, this might also occur due to less storage space on your device, so go ahead and check the storage of your iPhone. To check in settings again, tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage on your iPhone. If not, you can go ahead and offload the apps that are no longer in use. You can also try resetting all settings of this device to fix the issue further. Tap on General and scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then on Reset and then on Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode and reset all settings. Doing this will reset all settings. Nevertheless, none of your data or media will be deleted. Your iPhone will take an auto restart now and your problem should have been fixed by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.